Right, off-roading today with him and one of the Surry Riders. It's wet. He picked the date, so I blame you. 2 Hondas and 1 cheap. Yeah, which is money on breaking down is him. Already? What's wrong? Do you think it's ticking over too low? That's enough? That's enough?
Yeah.
That sounds a bit better now. Just up the idle. Yeah, you put it up a bit too much. Hold on, let's try that then. Give it a rev. Yeah. Yeah. It doesn't matter if it's idling a little bit high, just use a bit more fuel. Not happy. Not happy, no? You're right, you're right. Give it a minute. I was like, oh, they look green. They look like green. It's dry now, luckily. So we're about to get wet. Go through slowly.
Yeah.
Don't go through too quick. If the river's flowing fast, and don't look at the water, look at your exit.
Yeah.
Don't look at the water, look at the exit, go through slowly.
Slow but progressive.
Yeah, because otherwise the water's going to come up and we've still got a lot of days riding to do, and well, he's already pissing soaking wet and you're already
wet, yeah.
You must be boiling in this thing as well.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why it's got a nice big gash there. Doesn't matter. You're smoking big time.
Yeah, yeah.
It's alright. That muddy bit, I run out of grip there. Yeah. I just slide along that grippy bit. There we go, cool. Oh. Huh?
My grip's looking.
Nice save, Phil. Nice save. Is that a horse? There's a woman bending over. Right, I'm still rocking a flat on the rear. There they come. Oh. We ain't done much. I've only lost 1 bar, so.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll end up back at BP anyway. I think this is a 60-mile loop.
Okay, yeah.
I think it's about 60 miles.
60 miles is actually roughly, I'd say, the range of it. Probably.
Oh, we'll be back there before then, don't worry. So he's doing alright for a beginner. Needs to loosen up a bit. Oh, there's me going straight. Across the twig, log hop that wasn't a twig. That was a log hop, you see that? Just jumped the log. Uh-oh. Oh. You okay?
Yeah, that's right.
He'll be here in a minute. You alright?
That was a good one.
Huh?
I didn't even get it on camera.
Oh no!
That was quite a.
Damn it! Oh well. Yeah, he's had a lie down for a bit, isn't he?
I'm so annoyed that the camera wasn't on. That was such a good one because, like I said, I was going through, you know, the little tunnel bit. I don't know why, just as soon as I came out of it, I suddenly had like no control of the front, and I said I was going to go into the wall. Like I wiggled towards the wall, and I just managed to just throw myself off the other way, and I went over the handlebar.
You're right though, are you?
Yeah, no, I'm alright. Like I don't know, I can't even remember how I felt. Like, I feel a little bit sore here. But yeah.
I'll put it here, I'll turn around, do a little run up and... Is it going to move? I think it'll stay. I think it'll stay.
Yeah.
As soon as you come up from straight... Oh, maybe, because you... Yeah, you bent it, I think, on this side. It looks bent from here. If you stand here where I am, look at your grips. You bent your bars.
Right, yeah.
Proper off. Get some nice gold rentfalls now.
If I can do it, then therefore I think you have to do it.
Can I just... I don't like the bikes being left on. It's maybe it's OCD. Just don't like it. How do I start this thing? Okay. Oh, this feels tiny. Oh yeah, the kickstand come up. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. It might not do it. It's not got. It's a bit highly. It's got no power, this thing. It's actually not bad.
Yeah.
It's just got no power.
Yeah, it has power.
Here. You can give it a go. Are you drunk? Try give it a log hop. Hey! That's pretty good. Well, he picked it up quick. You want to give it a go or not?
I don't know. I tell you what, I'm feeling a lot more sore than I thought I was as well.
Yeah, I thought it'd kick in about now. Your adrenaline's gone.
I feel a bit.
Your adrenaline's gone, isn't it?
Yeah. Not about the handlebar as well. I need to change that then.
Right then, so we just got to get to the road, which ain't too far. Oh yeah, he's dropped his shoulders. He was alright. He's had a big off. The worst thing about his off, he didn't even get it on video. And he was in the rear. So no one got it on video. Right, let's see what he does here. One fingered low. Nice and slow to the road. Then he can go home. That was a big crash. He's feeling sore, so he's gonna call it a day. Still a long day though. Oh, it's deep, is it? Uh-oh. How? You alright?
Yeah.
How did you stay on?
I have no idea.
I had to stop. Afternoon.